So, good morning, students. After completion of organic chemistry, so that is nitrogen compounds. So, then next chapter is what is surface chemistry. So, next chapter is surface chemistry. Now, today we are going to discuss about surface surface chemistry. Okay. So surface chemistry. So what is a surface? Actually, substances, physical states are three types. One is solid, liquid, and what is a gas. For example, let us consider a substance. Let us consider a substance. Mainly, it is a solid or liquid. It is a solid or liquid. It is the substance. It is the substance. So substance. So now this is the total bulk of the body. Total bulk of the body. So now, so it is the top layer. It is the top layer. It is the bottom layer. From top to 100 nanometers depth. Depth means from top to bottom. So for example, so this one is 100. That is a 100 nanometer depth from top to, okay, from what is a top to 100 nanometer depth is called what is a surface area. Is called what is a surface area. So now the process which going on surface area is explained by what is a surface chemistry. The process which going on surface area, the total information of the process is explained by what is a surface chemistry. Surface chemistry. What is surface area? Surface area are what is topmost layer. What is the topmost layer? Topmost layer to 100 nanometer depth. 100 nanometer depth is called surface area. So now in this surface chemistry, mainly two terms are present. Two terms. So one is adsorption. Second one is absorption. What is a adsorption and absorption? So now, for example, let us consider adsorption. It is the adsorption. What is a adsorption? So adsorption, it consists of two components. Two components. One is adsorbate. Adsorbate. Second one is adsorbent. What is a adsorbate and adsorbent? So actually adsorbates may be solid, liquid, and what is a gases. But adsorbent may be solid or liquid but not gas. But not a gas. Actually, what is adsorption? So adsorption means the phenomenon of. So adsorption means the phenomenon. The phenomenon of accumulation. The phenomenon of accumulation of molecular species. Accumulation of molecular species of a substance at the surface area at the surface area of solid or liquid. Surface area of solid or liquid is called what is adsorption. adsorption. Okay, so what is adsorption? Adsorption is the phenomenon of accumulation, means mixing, accumulation of molecular species of a substance at the surface area of liquid solid is called adsorption. So adsorption is the surface phenomenon. So it is the surface, adsorption is the surface phenomenon. What is absorption is the surface phenomenon. So it occurs only surface of the substance. So now what is adsorbate? In adsorption, two components is there. One is adsorbate, second one is adsorption. So now what is adsorbate? Substance which concentrate, substance which concentrate, substance which concentrate or accumulates, substance which concentrate or accumulates on the surface of the substance is called adsorbate. So adsorbate means substance which concentrate or accumulate, what is accumulate at the surface, accumulate at the surface. Okay, accumulate at the surface is called adsorbate. So now what is adsorbent? Adsorbent means substance on the surface, substance on the surface, substance on the surface, which surface of which the adsorption, so substance on the surface of which adsorption takes place, which the adsorption takes place. What is a takes place is called, what is adsorbent, is called adsorbent. So it is the adsorbent. What is adsorbent? Substance on the surface of which the adsorption takes place is called adsorbent. So adsorbents may be solid or liquid. Adsorbates may be solid, liquid, and what is a gas? Solid, liquid is a gas. So now next one is, so simply what is adsorption? What is adsorption? What is adsorption? So now adsorption is the surface phenomenon. It is surface phenomenon. It is the surface phenomenon. So now second one is absorption. What is the second one is adsorption. It is the adsorption D. It is the absorption. So actually absorption is the bulk phenomenon. So it is bulk phenomenon. What is a bulk phenomenon? For example, adsorption means, for example, let us consider a, what is a solid or what is a liquid, solid or liquid. So now another solid or liquid or gas is passed on the solid or liquid, So for example, simply, so it is the sponge, so then it is a water. So water is passed on the sponge. Then what happens? Sponge receive or absorb the water total bulk of the body. What is the total bulk of the body? So it is the bulk of the body. It is bulk phenomenon. So but adsorption is the surface phenomenon only. So from uh, top to 100 meters, 100 nanometers depth is called surface area. So surface phenomenon is adsorption. Bulk phenomenon is known as what is adsorption. What is adsorption? So it is the difference between absorption and adsorption. Okay. So now, so third one is absorption. What is the third one is absorption. So absorption means both adsorption and absorption takes place simultaneously. So now both adsorption, both adsorption and absorption. What is absorption takes place simultaneously is called what is absorption. So now third one is for next one is desorption. What is desorption? DSORPTI, desorption, wherein D means removal. So now removal of absorbed substance from the surface. So for example, it is a substance. So for example, substance. So another substance is absorbed by the substance. So it is absorbent. It is the absorbate. Now it is absorbed substance. Now removal of this absorbed substance from the surface is called absorption. Removal. Okay. So now desorption is the removal of, what is a removal of absorbed substance, absorbed substance from surface area, from surface, some surface is called what is a desorption. It's called desorption. Okay. So now, so next one is, so concentration of the adsorption is negative concentration or positive concentrations. So now concentration, okay, concentration. So now adsorbate concentration, adsorbate. So it is the adsorbate concentration is greater than adsorbent. Adsorbent concentration. So it is the positive adsorption. It is a positive adsorption. It is the positive adsorption. Positive